In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new FAQ section on your Webflow site using the CMS feature. We're aiming to make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Webflow. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Navigate to the site where you want to add the new section. Once your site is open, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the CMS tab. It's a crucial part of Webflow that helps you manage your site content effectively. Please find and click on this button to get started. With the CMS interface open, look for the option that says Create New Collection. This is where you'll be building your FAQ section, so it's important to select this option. After you've clicked on Create New Collection, you'll be prompted to fill out some basic information. This might include things like the collection's name and descriptions to help you keep things organized. Take your time here to ensure everything is correctly entered and aligns with the purpose of your FAQ section. After you've filled out all the necessary details, you'll see a Create Collection button. Click it to confirm and create your new collection. Now, it's time to start building your FAQ section on the actual page. Look for the Add Elements option and give it a click. You'll need to find and select a div block from the available elements. Once selected, drag it onto your page where you'll be creating the FAQ section. Think of the div block as a container that will hold all of your FAQ content, organizing it neatly for your visitors. Next, again click on Add Elements. This time, you'll be scrolling down to find the text element you wish to use. Once located, drag the text inside the div block you just placed. Here is where you'll input the questions and answers for your FAQ section. Take a moment to ensure your text is clear and concise. This will help your visitors easily find the information they need. After you've completed adding all your content, the final step is to publish your changes. By clicking the Publish button, you ensure that all your hard work is saved and visible to your site's visitors. And that's it. Now you've successfully added an FAQ section to your Webflow site using the CMS features. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to add more entries or adjust existing ones. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Let's keep your site informative and engaging.